Kim Jong un, the leader of the North Korea, is known for his iron fist rule and luxury lifestyle. Despite the country's economic struggles, Kim Jong un has some of the most luxury cars possible as well as private villas that would put places to shame. Still, his personal wealth is unknown. Today, we will dive into how Kim Jong un spends his billion. Lavish palaces and villas. Kim Jong un's lavish lifestyle include not only a series of luxury residences but also private properties that reflect his wealth and comfort. His primary residence, the Kumsan Palace of the Sun, located in the heart of Pyongyang, is one of the most well known and important buildings in North Korea. It has become Kim Jong un's official residence. This building itself is a grand monument with high end ceilings and amazing design. Aside from palace, Kim Jong Un is said to own multiple private villas across North Korea. These villas are as luxury as the palace with hidden features and security measurements that are difficult to confirm due to his secretive nature of the country. One of these villas, located in Mount Pyongyang area, is said to be surrounded by lush landscapes and featured modern architecture design blending nature with interior. It is believed to have private spas, swimming pools, and government kitchens where world class chefs prepared fine dining for the supreme leader and his family. Luxury cars. It's no secret that Kim Jong Un enjoy a luxury lifestyle when it comes to his transportation. His luxury collection include top of the line vehicles such as Mercedes-Benz and Rolls-Royce. The Mercedes-Benz S600, a luxury armed vehicle, is often used by heads of the state worldwide. Its price range from 1.5 million to $2 million, reflecting its advanced features such as bulletproof windows and comfortable features. Kim Jong Un frequently drives a luxury car, including the Rolls-Royce Phantom and a Ghost, which varies in price from 350K to $500K. The luxury vehicle starts with a amazing design, making it proper choice among high-profile individuals. Typically, luxury sedans like the Lexus LS offer premium comfort, blending Japanese engineering with amazing design. The LS, priced between 75K to 120K, is known for its smooth ride and advanced safety features. Despite international sanctions imposed on North Korea, Kim Jong un has managed to smuggle luxury goods like high end cars and jets, often through underground channels and hidden networks. These sanctions have done little to stop his lavish lifestyle. Jets. Kim Jong un uses private jets as a symbol of his power and authority, providing him with luxury, privacy, and an amazing lifestyle. Some of these jets are Challenger 850, a luxury private jet priced between 25 million to 30 million dollars. This jet offers luxury interiors and advanced communication systems. Also, Illusion 62, a Russian private jet that has been renovated for high profile travels, costing 40 to 50 million dollars with luxury interiors and advanced security system. It ensures safety and comfort during long flights. Also, the Airbus A320, a commercial aircraft used by Kim Jong un for international trips, is reportedly priced between 90 to $120 million, depending on the level of customization and specific features demanded. Expensive imports and high end foods. Despite North Korea's harsh economic sanctions, Kim Jong un reportedly has a taste for expensive foods and imports. Imported wine, cheese, and meats are regularly flown in the Kim Jong un's food. Some reports suggest that he enjoys French wine and Swiss cheese, indulging in luxury that most of his citizens could never dream of. The country's tight control over imports mean that only the very best is reserved for its supreme leader. Private islands and expensive gifts. Kim Jong un is known for enjoying the finest things life has to offer. It is reported that he owns private islands in the South Pacific. Kim Jong un has been known to lavish himself as his closest allies with expensive gifts. These can range from jewelry to designers' watches, and all part of his display of wealth and power. Luxury watches and fashion. Kim Jong un style has always been a subject of interest. He is often seen wearing high end wristwatches from brands like Rolex, and Swiss mail collection. His preference for luxury extends beyond watches to his designer sunglasses and tailored suits, which add to his carefully crafted image. Let us know in the comments section what would you think about Kim Jong Un's lifestyle